Brother makes color printing easy and affordable for your business. Brother Genuine Replacement Toner cartridges deliver low-cost printing in color and black and white. Helps you spend less time waiting for documents and more time focusing on your business. Delivering high-quality output that gets your business noticed. Automatic duplex functions help save time and paper usage. Scan large documents. Create editable, searchable PDFs. Adjustable tray for letter or legal-sized paper. Easily handle alternative media print requirements, including envelopes. Add optional trays for expanded print capacity, ideal for high-volume print environments. Helps save time with up to 64 custom shortcuts for complex and frequently used document workflows. Makes scanning easier and faster. Scanning directly to popular cloud services and other destinations is quick and easy. We give you connectivity choices. Wireless printing from a variety of mobile devices is perfect for on-the-go workgroups. Protect your sensitive documents and data and restrict device usage. Keeping sensitive documents and data secure is a top priority for any business. For years, Brother printers have consistently been winning awards. That's what At Your Side is all about. The smart choice for your document workflow and imaging needs.